Assalamu alaikum everyone. The private is open up for September finally, and you can check the top right of your screen and look at the video regarding the question of what is private and what you get in private. Now, if you're really interested in joining Discord, just comment Discord and I'll give you a new and generate a new link for you and give you the invitation for you to come and join. Now, here it is. We are looking at PEIPEI right now, and I've talked about the monthly evening star, and this is how it looks like. Yes, the evening star still exists. We're still looking at the candle to look like this. Now there's one more thing. This evening star is not yet confirmed, so it's not in play. Okay, this is true because for evening star to be confirmed, we have to actually wait 11 days. So after 11 days, you will get to know if this is an evening star or not. Now let's say the market starts to pump back up to 2000 maybe. Okay, so this is actually going to be an entirely different candle. It could actually end up being a doji like that. So this candle is just not confirmed. Okay, so there is time for us, and within 11 days we can still see a pump all of a sudden, and things may actually be different. Okay, so that's one thing I want to clear from yesterday's video. Another thing is that the daily is making a spinning top candle. This is like a bullish spinning top, and it does look as if this coin is actually interested to start to push a little bit to the upside. Now I am going to be very, very, very honest with you. It's quite good on the 4-hour time frame and the smaller time frames. So for example, here I do see that we've already broken out and we've made some few successful retests right there, and it could be time that we actually see a push back up to this technical target, which is actually perhaps nearly 2237. So we could be looking at a pump probably, and we could actually see even maybe 56% move to the upside. And I think it's just worthy of a try. Even on the 15 minutes time frame, I actually noticed you've actually made resistance here, resistance again. You made one break, retest, another one, came down, took some few stop losses, and maybe that's it. Maybe this is actually a good entry, and then from here, if this actually gets successful, we may actually see PEIPEI trying to move back up very, very soon again and continue to go a little bit higher. So that's all for the video. I'm going to see you with the next one. Love.